Welcome to Tech with Abdi. Basic computer skills for beginners. Watch till the end for a step-by-step tutorial. What is a computer? A computer simplifies tasks for education, work, YouTube, design, internet, and more. Main parts of a computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speaker. These are the main parts inside a computer. Using the mouse, move the cursor. Left click, right click, double click, scroll. The mouse is the device used to move the cursor on the screen. These are the basic mouse skills you need to know. Keyboard basics, important keys: Enter key, space key, backspace key, shift key, control key. Learning to type is very important for computer users. Internet basics: open a browser, search on Google, visit websites. Examples include YouTube, Gmail, and Google. To save files, press Ctrl+S, or click File, then Save. Tips for beginners: practice every day. Practice typing. Watch YouTube tutorials. Don't be afraid to try. Summary: learning computers takes time, but with regular practice, you will learn quickly. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.